2022 was meant to be that recovery that we were all waiting for. Out of COVID, back to normality, back to work, back to traveling again. For me on a personal level, to go back and see my parents, because I'm not seeing them for 2.5 years. They miss me, they miss my grandchildren, and there was a whole reunion that we were planning out for. Inflation, it was expected. Interest rate rise, it was expected. Oil price, it was expected. But they're all short-term measure, temporarily only. But then the Ukraine war with Russia came about. Millions of people losing their homes. Kids unable to go to school again. And they may not even come back home to see their friends and meet up in the play park they used to play with. That saddens me and breaks my heart into a million pieces. Inflation is going to go even higher. The roof over our head may be a problem because mortgages will be going up and young people might not be able to buy homes. So this problem is escalating globally, not just in Russia and Ukraine, but it's a ripple effect everywhere. Bloody word, the dirty R word comes about. Are we going to see a recession? And with this incidents all happening, we are pulling it closer to where we are just now. As a family investor, as an investor dad, I just want to put a bit of positive spin for everybody. We've been through pandemic about 100 years ago and we survived it as human beings. We moved on. And then World War I, World War II came. We survived it. Millions of lives have been lost. Generations have been destroyed. We survived it. The stock market has improved. Insensitive, but this is the facts. We've been through recession. We've been through hyperinflation. We've been through various crashes and we have survived. So here, talking about the stock market, I think we just need to give it time. And there's a couple of stuff that I just want to share with you. It's not just about the stock market, but it's purely about our mental health. Investing as a family investor through this time can be really difficult. To see money being lost, to see gains being wiped out, it really disrupts our emotions at home. I can reassure that it happens to me, it happens to you. So the first thing I want to share to help your mental health is don't expect a V-shape or K rebound on the stock market. I know we've all been invested. Don't expect that. It takes time, like I said. You will recover, but it takes time. If you cannot take it, exit the market. And number two, just stay out of the market completely. I think it's healthy, regardless if you invested or not invested, stay out of it completely. You just have to focus on what's important. Looking at the stock market, trying to do technical analysis, trying to do support lines and charts, it's all complete garbage because it's not going to help. There's no support. There's nothing else happening just now. And number three, to stay hydrated for your mental well-beingness is to end up reading. When you read, you enrich your mind. There are loads of books out there you can read, autobiography, inspiration books. Investing books, I'm not a big fan, but I prefer business type books that you can read up upon and understand. History books to understand what we've gone through is not the first time. And number four, very important, if you are in weak stocks that you've made losses, take the loss, a risk transfer. Remember, there are companies out there who will still disrupt. I still believe in disruptive technology. I still believe in Web 3.0. I still believe in the green energy. I still believe in semiconductor. I still believe in AI. These are disruptive technology and it will not stop. Even through recession, it will still go on. Companies have got enough cash flow to keep going. So risk transfer to great quality stocks. Hold them so you can sleep better. And point number five, we just need to feel privileged and we are safe in where we are. I'm here doing YouTube safely. You're there watching YouTube, watching me safely. So we need to appreciate that we are in a better position than many other people who are suffering around the world. So if you are in that position, just feel privileged and don't get yourself too worked up. Take a rest. Keep your mind off the stock market. Please, I want to see you back again. Yes, you. I want to see you back in the stock market stronger. When we get into recovery mode, I want to see you here. But for now, unsubscribe from me, get away, block YouTube, whatsoever. Just to make sure that your mental health, well-being is number one priority. Because if you are not there, your children will need you. And when they grow up, there's no turning back. I tell myself that every day and I want to share that with you guys as well. So thank you very much for watching. Invest safe, stay safe, and watch out for your number one. Mental health, well-being is very, very ultimately important. You need to be there for your kids. So thank you very much all. Hope to see you soon in the future when everything's all glorious again.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here.